Good evening, and welcome to gnbnow Evening News. It's Wednesday, January 22, 2025, and I'm John. Tonight we're breaking down the top stories shaping your world, from major headlines across the globe to impactful events right here at home. Here's our top story tonight. Let's dive right in. President Donald Trump has sparked nationwide protests with a wave of controversial pardons for over 1,500 individuals involved in the January 6 Capitol attack. Additionally, new executive orders halting refugee arrivals and ending birthright citizenship have fueled heated debates across the nation. A coalition of 22 Democratic-led states has filed a lawsuit to block Trump's executive order attempting to end birthright citizenship. The lawsuit argues that the order violates the 14th Amendment of the U.S. Constitution and oversteps presidential authority. California Attorney General Rob Bonta emphasized that the order flouts more than 125 years of precedent established by the U.S. Supreme Court. This legal battle is expected to set the stage for a constitutional showdown. Israeli forces have intensified their operations in Jenin, West Bank, resulting in at least 10 Palestinian deaths and over 40 injuries. Humanitarian concerns are on the rise as ambulances struggle to reach the injured due to military roadblocks. Jordan warns the situation could lead to regional instability. Goldman Sachs has appointed Anthony Gutman and Kunal Shah as co-CEOs of its London operations, succeeding Richard Nod. This leadership shift aims to maintain the firm's competitive edge in the global financial market. In the UK, the retail sector continues to face challenges. Fashion retailer New Look has closed its Loughborough store in Carolyn Court Shopping Centre, joining a list of brands vacating the centre. The trend reflects broader issues in brick-and-mortar retail. Ireland's Dáil saw disruptions today, delaying Micheál Martin's formal election as Taoiseach. Disputes over speaking rights led to multiple suspensions, highlighting ongoing political tensions in the country. Entertainment news. Blake Lively and Justin Baldoni are making headlines, but not for their work. The two actors are locked in a legal battle following their collaboration on It Ends With Us, with allegations of harassment and defamation being exchanged. Taylor Swift and Morgan Wallen have received the most nominations for the 2025 iHeartRadio Music Awards, reflecting their significant impact on the music industry over the past year. The awards honor the most played artists across iHeartRadio platforms, with the ceremony set to recognize achievements in various categories. Let's dive in the sports news. In NBA's Rivals Week, fans are in for some thrilling playoff rematches tonight. The Minnesota Timberwolves face off against the Dallas Mavericks, while the Golden State Warriors take on the Sacramento Kings. The U.S. men's national soccer team is set to play against Costa Rica in an international friendly match. This is an important opportunity to fine-tune strategies ahead of competitive fixtures. We have a tragic news from India. A tragic train accident in Maharashtra has claimed 12 lives and left 6 others injured. The incident occurred when passengers jumped onto adjacent tracks following a fire rumor, only to be struck by another train. Questions are being raised about railway safety measures. Finally, efforts are underway to arrange a meeting between Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi and U.S. President Donald Trump next month. The agenda is expected to focus on trade and skilled worker visa policies, signaling efforts to strengthen bilateral ties. That's all for now. Join us tomorrow at 9 a.m. Eastern Time for detailed coverage of these stories and more on GNB News. I'm John, and thank you for watching.